It seems that when most of us think about anti-aging, we are desiring more of a superficial aspect and thus investing into skincare and supplements, etc. And while it is perfectly valid to want to maintain a youthful exterior, there is an entirely other facet of anti-aging that's not commonly discussed, and that is the age prevention of your organs and systems. Quick jargon items, there is chronological age. This is the actual amount of years that someone has been on this earth. And then there is biological age, and that is how old the body seems, which is based entirely on the health and how well the cells function. With biological age, you have complete control to reverse it. Unfortunately for health, most of the population doesn't go and see a doctor until something has already happened. There is so much that we can do to empower ourselves and take control of our health so that we are not sick and tired during our prime years. When your insides begin to malfunction or break down, it leads to age-related diseases. Addressing the root before it's time will not only keep you healthy, but make life so much more enjoyable as well. With all that said, I'd like to tell you a little bit about sirtuins and also a product called the SIRT6 Activator. This is by a company called DoNotAge.org, and they have a number of age prevention supplements. The SIRT in SIRT6 is short for sirtuin. There are 7 total. These are proteins that regulate DNA repair, aging, and metabolism. Overall, they increase longevity of life. More jargon. There is lifespan. This is the time from birth to death. And then there is health span, and that is the amount of time you are alive and healthy. Out of the 7 sirtuins, sirtuin 6 is the most important and the most responsible for increasing health span and therefore increasing lifespan. It repairs DNA that's under oxidative stress. It increases production of ATP. ATP is the primary currency when it comes to energy of the cells. It is a neuroprotective. Patients with Alzheimer's have low levels of sirtuin 6. It regulates insulin sensitivity. It facilitates the growth of new blood vessels, and it relaxes the existing ones. Sirtuin 6 has been proven through clinical trials with mice to slow aging and reduce inflammation. Human data will be available in 2025, and I have something to add on at the end of this video regarding that. SIRT6 Activator is derived from seaweed from all over the world. Now, not all seaweed can activate sirtuin 6, and that's why every harvested batch is thoroughly tested to make sure it does indeed activate it. It's also noteworthy to know that the countries that have the highest consumption of seaweed also have the highest life expectancy. Professor Vera Gorbanova plays a major role when it comes to the SIRT6 Activator, and you can find her TED Talk and all her videos about anti-aging on the World Wide Web. Additionally, DoNotAge.org has a ton of resources and articles that you can read more upon. Overall, if this content on my video is getting your wheels turning, do your research. As in all my videos on all my accounts, my intention is to be somewhat of a de-influencer in the sense that I want you to empower yourself, become an expert in yourself, listen to your body, learn about the biology that you have the ability to hack. Learning all about your very own health and taking control of it, as well as preventative measures, is very empowering. So now you know a little bit about sirtuins, you know about the SIRT6 Activator product. After you've done your research, after you've consulted with your healthcare team, if applicable, after you have said to your own self, this is something I want to try, head over to DoNotAge.org, and that's where they have this as well as many other anti-aging supplements. Going back to something that I mentioned earlier, they have conducted human trials, and they have a lot of leftover SIRT6 that was used in that trial. The only difference is it's the same exact ingredients, the same quality, the same testing, etc., is that instead of being in a clear capsule, they're in a white capsule. And they had to do this so that no one could tell the difference between the placebo and the actual SIRT6. So they have about 500 bottles left over, and starting on October 28th, 2024, they're going to begin selling those at a discounted rate. So check that out as well. Additionally, I like this company so much that I'm going to become an affiliate for them. So if you are interested in buying this product, give me a comment below, and then I will comment back. I will reply with my affiliate code so that you can get an additional discount, and then obviously I'll get myself a little commission as well. Follow me here for more related content on inner and outer health, primarily focusing on holistic ingredients and nutrition.